kung saan, nag-enter yung customer ninyo. So, yun yung gagawin mamaya. But I ask you to join earlier dahil, ang gagawin natin is, asynchronous tayo. So, bibigay ko lang yung gagawin niyo today and then gawin niyo, offline sa inyong, kanya-kanyang PC. And then, sige extend natin yung submission nung, deadline. So, nagpapa-extend dito si Pao. So, yung deadline ng submission, sige, I will still accept yung magsa-submit today para last week, no? So, ang last submission nung para last week is today and yung gagawin niyo today, ang submission naman ay, next week sa Saturday. And, we'll have online class then. Okay. So, gagawin ko lang mga co-host yung mga iba sa inyo para to help me accept yung mga nasa waiting room. Pag nakita niyo na meron sa waiting room, just accept them. Okay. So there are only weeks remaining, no? 23 ngayon, next Saturday is 30, May 30, and then next month is 6, and then 13. Dito sa 8 to 13, ito yung week ninyo, no? Or 15 to 20, ito yung week ng final ninyo, no? 15 to 20. And then 27 siguro yung last natin na meeting. But pag tapos na kayo, you can already submit yung code pag natapos na lahat, pag nakasolidate na lahat, and then you can present sa online, no? So anytime during Saturdays. Okay, so let's go to our activity today. But before that, I'll just read to you yung isang chapter ng John. John, I think tapos na tayo sa 17. 18, tapos na rin tayo. Yung 18 ay si Peter denied Christ. And sa 19 na tayo ngayon. So, okay ba yung sound ko sa inyo? Okay ba? Okay naman, Pao?
Yes po, sir.
Ayan, okay, thank you. So, let's start sa John chapter 19. Then Pilate took Jesus and had him flogged. So, na-sentence to die na si Jesus on the cross. So, before ipako siya ay Jesus was handed to be flogged. Ito yung pinakamasakit doon sa I think dito sa yung flogging. Doon sa naranasan ni Jesus. The soldiers twisted together a crown of thorns and put it on his head. So they clothed him in a purple robe and went up to him again and again, saying, "Hail, King of the Jews." And they struck him in the face. Once more Pilate came out and said to the Jews, "Look, I'm bringing him out to you to let you know that I find no basis for a charge against him." When Jesus came out wearing the crown of thorns and the purple robe, Pilate said to them, "Here is the man." As soon as the chief priest and the officials saw him, they shouted, "Crucify, crucify." But Pilate answered, "You take him and crucify him. As for me, I find no basis for a charge against him." So kahit si Pilate, wala siya makitang pagkakamali, no, ni Jesus to deserve to die. The Jews insisted, we have a law, and according to that law, he must die because he claimed to be the Son of God. Yan. Which is truth, no? He is the Son of God. When Pilate heard this, he was even more afraid, and he went back inside the palace. "Where do you come from?" he asked Jesus. But Jesus gave him no answer. Do you refuse to speak to me?" Pilate said. "Don't you realize that I have power either to free you or to crucify you?" Jesus answered, "You would have no power over me if it were not given to you from above. Therefore, the one who handed me over to you is guilty of a greater sin." So, lesser sin yung kay Pilate. Yung nag-hand over kay Pilate, yun yung mas malaking sin, no? From then on, Pilate tried to set Jesus free. So may ginagawa rin si Pilate para makalaya si Jesus. But the Jews kept shouting, "If you let this man go, you are no friend of Caesar. Anyone who claims to be a king opposes Caesar." Then Pilate heard this. When Pilate heard this, he brought Jesus out and sat down on the judge's seat at a place known as Stone Pavement, which in Aramaic is Gabata. It was the day of preparation of Passover week, about the 6th hour. "Here is your king," Pilate said to the Jews. But they shouted, take him away, crucify him." "Shall I crucify your king?" Pilate asked. "We have no king but Caesar," the chief priest answered. Finally, Pilate handed him over to them to be crucified. So wala nagawa si Pilate, but he can actually do something. But he gave way, no, to the shout of the people. So yung crowd, yung nanaig. So yung crowd is very, no, pag maraming tao, mayroong power. No? Nasusunod yung maraming tao. So even he is the governor, si Pilate. So the soldiers took charge of Jesus. Carrying his own cross, he went out to the place of the skull, which in Aramaic is called Golgotha. Here they crucified him, and with him two others, one on each side and Jesus on the middle. Pilate had a notice prepared and fastened to the cross. It read, "Jesus of Nazareth, the King of the Jews." Many of the